Alright guys, I just wanted to show you the brand new shiny Zippo that I just received in the mail. I actually got a couple of these, 6 of them to be exact, but for Christmas presents. I just thought it was such a cool gift to give to all the guys in my family, so I don't know. But anyway, this is the armor, the high polished brass armor version. I can't get the box open. So yeah, as you can see, it's really shiny. Mirror finish. I mean, this thing is great. But there's the warning label. This is what the bottom looks like. It says Zippo, made in USA. And it's got the shield with an A in it for armor. But as you can see, this thing is just, the finish on it just looks so good. You can see my Evo 3D in the reflection. Anyway, just trying to get a good angle on this so you can see the polished. This thing is heavy, man. It's thicker metal. The armor is the thicker brass. What I like about the brass too is it's not, I don't think it's plated with anything. I mean, I think it's just a solid polished brass. So unlike the chrome and you know, all the painted ones, not that it will chip off, but I guess it's possible, more possible that it could. But this is the finish on this, mirror finish. There's the clasp on it. Pretty cool. All right.